Prostate enlargement, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a common condition that affects aging men. It occurs when the prostate gland gradually increases in size and puts pressure on the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body. But before we proceed, please take a few seconds and subscribe to our channel. This enlargement can lead to various urinary symptoms, including frequent urination, weak urine flow, difficulty starting and stopping urination, and the feeling of incomplete bladder emptying. Managing prostate enlargement naturally involves adopting a holistic approach to promote prostate health and alleviate symptoms. While there is no guaranteed method to instantly shrink the prostate, several strategies may be beneficial. A healthy diet and lifestyle play a crucial role in prostate health. Consuming a well-balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide essential nutrients and support overall well-being. Regular exercise, such as brisk walking or swimming, can help maintain a healthy weight and reduce symptoms associated with prostate enlargement. Certain herbal supplements have been used traditionally to support prostate health. Saw palmetto, pygeum, beta-sitosterol, and ryegrass pollen extract are examples of supplements that have shown promise in alleviating BPH symptoms. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements to ensure their safety and effectiveness for individual circumstances. Stress management is crucial as chronic stress can exacerbate prostate symptoms. Engaging in stress-reducing activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or pursuing hobbies can have a positive impact on prostate health. Limiting fluid intake, especially before bed, can help minimize nighttime urination frequency and improve sleep quality. Avoiding irritants such as caffeine, alcohol, spicy foods, and acidic beverages may also help alleviate symptoms. Regular prostate exams are important for monitoring any changes or potential issues. Men should have regular checkups with their healthcare provider to detect prostate enlargement or other prostate-related conditions early on. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel and stay tuned.